I'm in a 2010 Cadillac SRX, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first open the hood, and then when the vehicle's turned off and cool, we're going to find this reservoir. This is your coolant reservoir. And you want to make sure, as the warning indicates, to do this while the system's cold, because this liquid can get to a boil and it's under pressure, and you don't want to risk having some boiling poison shoot out at you. But that said, try to match the color of your new coolant to the old one, and ideally the same brand and type that you've used before. It's best not to mix and match so you can help it. But that said, you'll just unscrew this, and then it just takes a couple screws and it pulls right out. And then either with a funnel or straight from your coolant jug, just fill as needed until you get to the flow lines. There is supposed to be an air gap in these, so you don't want to fill it all the way to the top. Once you get it filled up, you'll just screw this back on nice and tight. And then I would check around the reservoir, follow your lines as best as you can to see if you've got any cracks or leaks. Check around the engine bay, check around the radiator. Sometimes those get too hot, they can form cracks as well. Another way to check that system is while the vehicle's running. You might start to see coolant start to form around the engine bay, or underneath the vehicle you might see it start puddling on the ground, in which case wait until that versus say water condensation forming, is it should have a slight coloration to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell, and you don't want it on your skin, but say you have a glove on and you touch it and feel it, you should be able to feel a slight slickness to it versus what water would feel like. But I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.